Hello there guys and gals, good evening to each and every one of you. Oh gosh, some kind of tired and exhausted. But I don't know if I don't know if I'm being exhausted about this movie. Anyway, hold on. Before I start, I just wanna greet you a good evening to each and every one of you, and I just wanna thank the Lord for all the blessings that you give, for all the trials and challenges that I surpass. Shout out to my family in Bicol, headed by my mother, February Sindor, Baba Chechen and Kiel. Sorry guys, I'm being rattled. And shout out to Helen Carreto. And to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much to share every one of you. To all my 10 lovely countries, to all my silent subscribers out there, hi. To my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much each every one of you. And to all my Facebook viewers as well, thank you, hi. And to all my silent Facebook viewers also, and to all my new followers, thank you so much. Thank you so much each every one of you. You know what guys and gals, I couldn't really believe about this movie. At first, I felt bored. I felt some kind of disgusted because the story is some kind of slow pace, especially the first few minutes, like let's say 40 minutes to 45. But I think they are establishing each characters, and they really want for you to feel the atmosphere on the movie, the surroundings, the place, for you to feel that you are also in a character and you are also in the movie. You know what guys and girls, sometimes it's some kind of hard and some kind of boring to live in a isolated area wherein you can't find food, you can't find any other things to do, or some extracurricular activities that you have to do for you to be able to feel happy, to make yourself busy. But you know what, the story is really that way, that's why. And I love the production design. I love the way they are being glamorized. You know what, this is some kind of realistic, because compared to other movie that you are in isolated area and then you have your makeups, you have your get-up. So in here, they've got 101% perfect the props, the place that they shot in. So I really love, from grass to the house to the other things, other stuffs they use for this movie is some kind of a fantastic, that's why. And I couldn't really believe for this movie because it's some kind of a mind-blowing one. You will never think, you will never guess what happens next, even though sometimes you are thinking this is just a predictable movie, but it's not guys and girls. And you know what I really love about this movie as well is that the execution of one of the characters has to be die, and then they will never think if this is a newbie or not or whatever. So if the story call for it, so why not kill the character? So I really love, and I also love the new characters who will take their shining moment. So it's some kind of unpredictable, and I really love the ending because I thought it's already over, and gosh, it's some kind of a splendid one. And I really love Halle Berry, the way she cries in here. It's some kind of a, oh gosh, she's a tearjerker here when she cries. Oh gosh, it flows like a river. It flows like a faucet, water in the faucet. Oh my gosh. And there are some moral lessons in here, that the family ties, that you shouldn't give up with your family. You should take care of one another, and Do not make some quarrels. Do not fight for one another. If you have problems, and then you should talk. You should confide, and then do not tell lies. That's one thing that you should bear in mind. Hold on, what else should I'm gonna say about this movie? And then, you know what? The story, there's a combination of what's that? Sinister, and a combination of, I forgot the Shyamalan's movie that we watched a couple of months. Is it the inviting? What's that? Invitation or something? I forgot. Just recently, guys and gals, not The Trap. So I forgot the. Please, I'll just make it on the comment section. What's the combination for this one? And I thought I'm watching a Shyamalan's movie, and it's some kind of Whoa. So what's the term? A well-uploaded movie. You know what, guys and gals? If you have time for yourselves, you can watch for this. But don't expect so much. There's no lots of screaming factor, but there are some screaming scenes that you have to shout at the top of your lungs. But compared to what's that? M. Night Shyamalan, that you keep on shouting, you keep on screaming, but not in here. But when you shout, you will shout at the top of your lungs. And this is fantastic. I thought I'm not gonna like it. Well, Halle Berry didn't fail me for this one. That's why. And it's not a waste of money. What I should have gotta say about this movie? There's one thing that I didn't meet that in this movie, that the intensity. There's no intensity in here, so I'm looking for that. The adrenaline rush, the pumping of the heartbeat that you want to feel on this movie. And I didn't scare at all, not that much compared to M. Night Shyamalan. And when it's dark, it's dark. So I think that would be all for now. I'm being some kind of, how do you call the thing? Mental block, sorry. Anyway, congratulations to Halle Berry for a job well done. What else? Before I forgot. I really love the acting of these two kids. They act splendid. They act realistic. That's why. So that would be all for now, guys and gals. Bye. Thank you. Hope you like it. But just in case I forgot someone or something, just in case I forgot something in this film, I just jot it down on the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye. By the way, guys and gals, thank you for the 18,000.6 views on my Facebook. My top content. So please check it out. Hendrix Abordo, my Facebook account. Okay, bye. So take one last look on this poster. By the way, guys and girls, I forgot. Halle Berry also produced this movie, so she's also a producer. Okay. Hold on. What was the last movie of Halle Berry? I forgot. I really love Halle Berry because when she transformed into the glamorized, she make it, and then she didn't think she didn't bother her. So she didn't even get bothered that, oh gosh, I wanna look like a James Bond girl, but it's not. Okay, bye for now, guys and girls.